Welcome back to another stream. Happy Friday and also happy Veterans Day, everybody. Thank you guys to those of you guys who have served for all your service. We all appreciate it. Hopefully you guys were able to make some money this morning. It's been a super fun morning so far. You guys saw those AMDs that I had that ended up running up like 500%. Those were sweet. The Apples were crazy too. The Nvidias that I had too were crazy for today. But let's see what we're going to get going into later in the day here. We could see a pretty aggressive sell-off into close. As we start to see profit taking from the week, it's very possible that that's what we do see. But at the same time, this market could just be super irrational and then start moving back to the upside here. So team, again, since this is a public live, if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button on the way in, helps out a whole lot. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? If all those tickers were to reverse ETFs, it would print. Yeah, Jessica, it would. It's gonna dump. Everything's too green for a Friday. Lots of profit to be taken out at the end of the day. I mean, SPY's flat. That's the thing about the SPY here that's interesting. It's flat. It's getting above 396 here. It's reaching a little bit. Right back down. Let's see. So natural gas got killed here too. Rate hike, 80.6% probability of a 50 basis point rate hike coming in December. Let's see. Gabe may not be safe. I think Gabe's going to be safe, but we'll see. Let's see what Apple wants to do going at the end of the day. Same thing with SPY. I mean, you did sell off pretty aggressively here, and let's see what we want to do going into the end of the day here. It's a non-settlement day, so retail isn't buying. Well, they would probably be buying a lot less. I mean, I tried to warn everybody about that this was a non-settlement day. So any cash that you've been using over the last few days or yesterday, especially with options trades, it's unsettled today, so you don't get to use it. It'll come back Monday. Other than that, natural gas is getting killed here. What the fuck is going on with this? Natural gas down 6.5%. Jesus. 10% day today. I'm done. Dev, dude. Congratulations. I know you guys who have been with us for a while have been really killing it over there. So congratulations, everybody. That is awesome. And again, happy Friday. It is casual Fridays too. The dollar can't get a break. The dollar is just getting killed here. You could see I mean, this is an aggressive sell-off on the dollar. What's this look like on the daily? That's last time you saw you saw it bounce pretty hard. So let's see what happens next week. 10 years. That's 10 years ripping up here a little bit. Hello. Closed all your long put positions, not fighting against the okay. You'll wait it out and short another day. That's probably smart. Took 2% on Apple calls right before it shot up. You always get shaken out early. Why are you getting shaken out early? That's why we have stop losses there, and we know exactly where the trades are wrong. You can let the trades fully play out, and then make sure you're using that stop loss strategy too, and then you are golden. Good to go. All right. SPY just hanging around 396 here. I mean, you could be in for a knife, but I don't. If you're gonna see a knife, I don't think you're gonna get it until later in the day here. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we got going on over here. Ooh, the algo's getting there. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, that's kind of cool. Haven't touched shit today. That's probably a smart move, buddy. That is probably a smart move. Apple creeping, SPY creeping over 396 here. Pretty flat, honestly, dude. Subi, I'm going to tell you to relax again, or else that wrench is going to go bye-bye. Let's see. Let's see. Look at it. What should you look up on the 10-year? I mean, just know how it's not necessarily just the 10-year. You can look at the 10-year in relation to other yields. That's what's used a lot. All right. There you go, Subi. We don't play that nonsense over here, pal. So what goes up must come down. It is a completely different thing now than it was 3 months ago. Be very, 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 very careful. We are here to make people money, not send people to the slaughter. So let's see here. Let's see. Hit SPY puts a little gain, but that's it so far. Boring day. Yeah, I let a lot of those contracts ride. the hedges that I had. And remember, there were a lot of remember yesterday we were on the afternoon stream where I made the Nvidias free, then I made the Apples free, and then I had AMDs because I was like, well, I'm gonna spend X amount of my cash balance on a hedge. So, and I was thinking about it. I was like, well, technically, if I've made all these free, I still have a lot of room to do this. So I actually had a bunch of contracts to the upside. So this morning was fun with Apple, Nvidia, and AMD. I mean, if you guys were looking on my Instagram or Twitter, I mean, you guys saw the just absolute filth with AMD. I mean, it's on there right now. I also threw a picture of what I'll be drinking later, which will be nice. Maybe I'll start drinking it on stream today. Fuck it. Let's see. Like number 36 where it counts. I appreciate that, Josh. Let's see. All right, folks. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. We got Spy testing that 48. Apple bending back around a little bit. You have to try it. That one's my favorite tequila. Let's see. Bing. Adios. Sup, Vic? Stopping by to drop a like. Have a great day. TTF Colt Rookie. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Thanks for the like. Adios. Parachuting. Dude, we haven't traded para in forever, bro. Ooh, that's para. Yeah, that thing's on a mission there. The Terramana. Dude, I was gonna try that and then I didn't, but that one's my favorite. You want to learn some of your style for better outlook on economic data? Just so here's what you can do, Leo. Go through the economic data calendar and anything that you don't know, look it up. That's how I would do it. Let's see. I don't know, Ryan. Everybody, it's literally like that chart where like everything goes down, it goes up a little bit, and then everybody's like, "Oh my god!" It's like that's not how it works. We're not leading people to the slaughter over here. Link that calendar. It's this one right here. Just type in Market Watch economic data, and it's just this whole calendar right here. This week's. So if you go through here and you see something that you don't know, go look at it, and then go look at the previous days that was released, and then see how markets move based on that data in the news that day. Not trading today because we were going to see some chop. Dropped a like. Espinoza, smart man. I think we're gonna see some nonsense next week. I definitely think that we could be in for a little bit of a sell off. So we will see. Hold on. Great way to learn how to use data and statistics. Squirrel, appreciate that, man. When will this pump end? This is stupid. Well, it's not stupid. I mean, this isn't really, things are pumping, but I mean, you're going to see it happen eventually. Like it'll eventually start coming back to life. You do have some data next week that could be interesting. The one I'm really looking for is, hold on, where is it? Real household debt, mortgage debt, retail sales, producer price index, and then existing home sales Friday, which is most likely going to be very low. So we'll see what happens with that. Not trading today because of the holiday, just chilling with you people a bit. Tabasco Dave, I appreciate that, buddy. All right, team. Keep hitting that like on the way in. I appreciate it. Let's see. Apple slipping. We'll see. I mean, if SPY gets back down below VWAP, it kept getting bought up below 395. So we'll see what happens with that thing. But yeah, again, I mean, this isn't really the day that you guys want to be trading a lot of things. Should hit the macro trend around on 408, depending on how quickly we get there. I would say a lot of resistance at 400. We might end up getting up there, but I would just be careful across the board. We're going to see probably a lot of chop, and it's going to be a lot more volatile because at the same time, think about what the Fed said yesterday. They said, yeah, I mean, it was decent to it was good to see inflation coming down. But one, that's just the first time that you've seen it. Two, I mean, like 50 basis points is still significant, and we need to see the data go in a significant direction to the downside. But that's also where a problem comes in because if it starts moving too rapidly down, Fed's overcooked it. Now they're going to overcook it, but it's just basically the question now is how much are they going to overcook it? Like how much QE are they going to need to do after this? So SPY's teetering right around 396 here. Let's see what we get. It does look like it wants to jump a little, but you could just see it flatline for a while. Hello, SCV. Hello, Rose. How you doing? Took one trade off that Amazon bounce this morning, but that's it. Finishing green. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Twitter auditors failed to find lapses exposed by whistleblower. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But yeah, I'm pumped for that tequila later. Let's see. Martin Scully says Sam could be looking at a life sentence. His donations will not buy him any leniency. If you are a recipient of Bankman's money, you may have to look at returning it or distancing yourself. I guarantee someone is indicting him as we speak. This is a huge crime. Oh, boy. Will I do a shot for you? I'll probably drink a shitload of the bottle, man. I'm not going to bring it. That's the thing. Like, these are, I mean, I get a deal on them, but I'm not, like, I'm still not just going to start, like, handing out this tequila to everybody. The Casa Reposado, I'll throw that around. I don't care. But this one, I'm not going to bring because we're going to, like, sort of like a birthday party. And I can't think that if I bring it, people are going to think it's a gift. Like, I'm not gifting. Like, that's not happening. Scully is the expert. He is the expert. He is the expert there, man. Dude, that AMD trade was so nasty. Get a flask. I am not putting it in a flask, bro. No. I'll probably have a little bit before I go, but Spy, what are you gonna do here, dude? That new MACD wants to start bending to the upside here, but where's everything else? I mean, it's pivoting down. I think we're just gonna see a lot of flatness here. So I would like to see just a slow bleed out going into the end of the day. I don't know if we're gonna see it though. Tito's? No. Currently practicing in paper trading, had calls on TSMQQ, Amazon, AMD, and SPY, all of which did well. What expiration date did you have? Start the night with Top Shelf. Drink is it? Yeah, and then you end up at Top Shelf too when you get back. That's how that works. I don't make the rules, man. Oh, I have a funny picture where it's like, I call it the sequence of champions, where it goes like, let me see, I have it somewhere, where it's like a picture like of these. I just lined everything up by accident out like on my windowsill. Let me see if I can find it. And yeah, so it goes Celsius, tequila, high noon, liquid IV. 0 day? Okay. Bad financial decisions. You are going right along with your name there, pal. That is a terrible financial decision. If all of those positions should have been less than 1% of your account, if you were trading those, like all of those positions combined, that's a very, very, very dangerous way to trade. And that's a great way to start blowing up accounts. So careful of that, buddy. Let's see. You're still learning? Yeah, more time is your friend, dude. More time is always going to be your friend. You don't want to be trading contracts with that low amount of time unless it's like barely a percentage of your portfolio. SPY's kind of flatline in here. Bouncing off that 48. Apple's slowly chugging along. Paris just going on a moon mission here. Jesus. Where's Tessie? Nothing. It was pinned at 396. Let's see what we get here. Chop City and Theta Decay Doom, Scalp City. I mean, almost Dixie slow bleed. It's been bleeding out all day. Did it get a bounce finally or no? Nope. Dollar still headed lower. Where's the 10-year? That's the SPY. Little bit of a crack here would be off of the 10-year, not the dollar. That's hilarious. Yeah, I don't know what it was. I had so many things because I was like, I need energy. I need booze. Sometimes I don't want to drink the tequila, so I'll have a high noon too. And I'm also super dehydrated. And then the way that I lined them out, I was like, all right. That's because of IV and Delta and the Gamma ramping up on those. But I'd be very, very, very careful holding calls on those things. Para have news or earnings. It could have been earnings. It could have been earnings. I haven't seen it. Price target. It might have just been big price target upgrades. SPY just teetering again here, doing a whole lot of zero. Let's see here. Remove a stripped away bar of link instead of just cutting it off. See, I don't know what that is. I don't know what you're talking about there, but it seems kind of interesting. Dude, that tweet was hilarious. I like the I also, if you see it, there's another bottle of Classe behind it too. There goes the SPY. There goes the Apple. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Fed Collins sees further Fed rate hikes too soon to call the peak, and the SPY loves it. DraftKings is just ripping. Yeah, it's been doing that, I think. DraftKings. Yeah, DraftKings looks decent here. And SPY right back down. The best data expiration out of the money, in the money, new member to 1348. Charles, welcome, buddy. But you really want to be getting like basically at the money contracts with as much time as you can afford. Now, I like to trade contracts that have like at least like a week and a half of time, a week and a half. That's essentially what it puts you in the best spot because you can still hit some nice gains and they're not going to move as much. The new MACD just smooths everything out, John. It makes it more accurate. So you might be slightly late, but you're going to get a smoother move, which is nice. SPY pop in there. Hello. Apple ripping up nicely. All righty, let's see. The Fed blinked. Yeah, I don't know what this is all about here, but this could be spicy. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's see. You're in 50 calls. What expiration date? If they're dailies, I'm going to say that you're a moron. Just because that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Target, I mean, you could look at the day high and risk day low, but you're a little late on risking day low now, or this previous low, 394. Little late on that. Yeah, you're getting these 3-minute crosses here. Let's see. Everything's settling in. Daily at 3. You have 397 calls. Dude, well, I mean, they might hit, but at the same time, it's like, why are you fucking around with dailies, bro? This is the thing that everybody needs to get out of their head because it's literally exactly what institutions and smart money wants you to do. Smart money wants you to come in and just literally try and hit home runs. That's what they want you to do. A lot of what you see on social media of like the Lambos and all that stuff, like, yeah, it's very possible with trading, but you need capital in order to do it. But everybody tries to just like rip up their capital super quick, and it's just not realistic. Can you? Yes. Is it going to happen for you? Probably not. You just have to get super lucky. Now, depending on what your risk management is like, those 50 contracts could be 1% of your account. Now, again, if that was the case, I wouldn't really have a problem with that. But if it's like 10% of your account, 15% of your account, I'd say you're literally just falling right into their trap. Took 68% on AMD calls and 103% on Roku calls. Nice, dude. Yeah. Carl, I don't know if you saw the what do you call it? The AMD calls that I had, but those ran up like 500%. Thank you, 1348, baby. There we go. Those were nasty. Yeah, SPY actually cracked down below that 396 there for a second. Interesting. Yeah, I threw those on Twitter and Instagram too. Those were nice. Those were sweet. Do 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 do. Let's see here. Ah, here comes Spy. Rahib, once Ape came out, I told everybody that it was a pile of garbage, and then people didn't like that. And then I was like, okay, cool, see ya. And then it was, and then the people that listened were able to save themselves a bunch of money, and the people that didn't, they're still listening to the people that are just baiting everybody for clicks and views. But if you want to leave because of that, that's okay. Hopefully you see the light eventually. But you want to stay? Let's make some money. I told you the truth. Exactly. All right, Spy bouncing off of the 13 here. Nice. Wish I was there to listen to that. Yeah, everybody caused a fucking scene back in August. I was like, okay, cool, bro. See what happens. Armenia. Okay, if you're going to do drugs while you're trading, you are going to probably lose. Like, think about it. If you and I were trading against each other and I said, and then you asked me, what would I want the person that I'm going up against to be doing while I'm trading against them? And I'd probably say doing drugs. Let's see. You should have been here months ago just because of how much I made since I've been here. Jessica, that is awesome. Topic Compton, when the time is right, we will let you know everything that you need to know. 90% of Wall Street is coke while trading. That's not true. That's not true. Let's see. Nancy moved out. Maybe in the 80s, bro. Not anymore. Piano? No. This is Wall Street. If there's free money, you got to take it. Let's see. DraftKings still moving up there. Spy's kind of teetering. Let's see. Kind of teetering. Let's see what we get here. Well, there's Jordan. That's one person. But I'm here now. Good. So basically today, what you're most likely going to see is just chop as everybody digests what happened yesterday after CPI. The real moves are going to probably be happening next week. Do I see an afternoon rug pull? It's possible, but I would say it's a little bit less likely today, especially after what's happened yesterday. You could give back some of the gains, but you've almost double bottomed here, and you're kind of chopping around in this little range now between the low and the high. We turn on the alco. Dude, they're not sitting there just doing blow. You know what they do? All right, here's what they do. It's mostly the young people too. They don't do blow, bro. They do Adderall, modafinil, Vyvanse. That's what they do. Haven't heard of you loaded this point of a live free game. Broke to Stoke. Let's do it, man. I'm down. Oh, you would like some of the short form content that I've been doing. Yeah, let's do that. I'll probably have some time this weekend. Vix knows this from experience. Well, I know people and like what their hours are and what kind of drugs people do. It's not coke. Like, you can't just like do blow and then be fine. No, that's not how it works. You take a couple of Adderalls and you're good for like 12 hours. Exactly. See, you guys are learning. Nobody's doing blow in the office. Well, that's not true. When I was working at this one job, I did know a guy that did do blow in the bathroom. That did happen. And then he got fired. So no more nonsense. Talk back to 1348. All right, fair. I'm not promoting drugs. I'm just telling you what happens. Yeah, but I did know a guy that did a lot of blow at work. So whatever. It is what it is. Spy slipping a little lower here. Let's see. Was he a caddy too? No. This was actually a different job when I watched people smoke crack. Why does everybody like to do drugs at work? Like, think about that. Like, the amount of jobs that I've had in my life are 3 different ones. Nobody was doing drugs at the special needs day camp. Everybody was doing drugs at the caddy tent. And then there was one guy that was just doing blow in the bathroom at this other job that I had. And I was like, "Hey man, dude, super cool guy too. Just you can't have a raging coke addiction and then function at work. Like that's just not the way to do things, I don't think." Cuz work sucks. All right, spy slipping. Push it to the limit. All right, let's see what happens here. It'll help you get through the day. Damn, you guys are just over here just doing illegal shit. All right. I'm not teaching proper drug etiquette. I'm just telling you what happens in the workplace. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys have not already. We are almost at 100. I appreciate you guys. Shout out to the midday crew. You guys are awesome, man. Doesn't work in college either. I mean, I lived through the oh my god, my roommate freshman year was like the literal plug of campus too. Dude, thinking about it now, I guess everybody's on drugs, apparently. I guess that's how that works, you know? Everybody's just medicated. Let's see here. Oh, 21 away. Spy's getting a little flashy over here. Let's see what she wants to do. Apple's holding nicely though, but Spy's like, ah! Francisco, the bull over here. Let's see. Luke. Oh, what's up, Sergio? How you doing, buddy? Oh, here comes Spy. There she goes. Wait, what? How is that possible? Unless that was from a while ago. That's oh yeah, that was from a while ago. All right, team. Most people hate their life/job. You try to escape your reality in any way possible. How about not doing blow? Hey, Ash Neils, how about you go and look at the chart of when I told you things were going down? Ape was at 7. We're gonna have none of that bullshit in here, pal. Watch. We'll see who gets there. Oh, and also people forget to realize that Ape called it, or what do you call it? Gabe called it at 40, bro. So hopium. All right, let's see here. Spy kind of cracking VWAP. Not everyone doing drugs. You just attract your own kind. Yeah. It just made you buy 10 more contracts. Okay, well, that's how you lose money. People take a salary, then sign up for liabilities to that salary. Wonder why they're stressed and sinking. It's probably because of all the cocaine they're doing. That's probably what it is. They're just like tweaking, bro. Let's see. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God. And then the other one was at 16, bro. Is that 6 now? Yeah. Told you. All right. Let's see what we get going towards the end of the day here. People even get late at work. It's the new normal. Didn't Bankman-Fried do that? It didn't? Wasn't he doing that? This is Wall Street. If he gives free coke, we're gonna take it. Okay. I don't have experience with this, but if somebody comes up to you and offers you free drugs, you probably don't want to take it. The only time, well, Spy freaking out here. It's flickering around a little bit. Let's see if it gets bought up. You mean I shouldn't buy an $80,000 car working a $32,000 a year job? No, that'd probably be a bad idea. Everyone does it, use it or lose it. Dude, how would I do that at work? Huh? Explain to me how I would do that at work. How? Did I get totally screwed on your Tesla calls you bought Tuesday for 12.2? Barely green. Yesterday, even with the pop. 2% yesterday. Is that the faded decay? Yeah. I mean, you've got a little bit of time on those, Netty. I'd just be careful unless you live in your car. Let's see. Here comes SPY bouncing up. I think we're going to see a lot of choppy bullshit here. Is this back to 3? It's getting there. Send tweeted him, hit me up tomorrow. So I got to. Oh, sorry, buddy. But yeah, I will hit you up. Is Bankman going to jail? Probably not, man. He'll probably find out where Do Kwan's living, though. But like at the same time, like, isn't Sam Bankman-Fried like broke? Like he didn't really take like a lot of his money was tied up in FTT, and then like also like was living with like 6 roommates, and then they canceled all his bank, or like they froze his bank accounts in the Cayman Islands, which is like I don't know how the fuck that happens. Like that's supposed to be the place where that doesn't happen. Like come on now. I'll die laughing if SPY flashes the 400 and dies. It would be interesting. Does theta affect your contract if you don't hold overnight? Yes, it still does. 400 by the end of the day. Too many people bearish. If it hits 399.99, I'll laugh even harder because Gabe said he would shave his head if it hits 400. So theta's time, also money. Theta's time decay. So as time goes on, theta ramps up within 30 days to expiration. So if you're trading anything within 30 days, you're going to have a pretty aggressive theta. Hope you use the hardware wallet. It doesn't matter if everything's worthless, Chris. He lost rich people's money. That's how that happens. Jail for sure as well. Well, it depends. It depends on who the rich people were. Plotkin lost a bunch of rich people's money. What happened to him? Nothing. Like, there's been a lot of people in history that have lost rich people money, and they just, like, nothing happened. SPY getting a little volatile here. I don't really see any news coming in. Let's see. Wait, what? Wait. Sam Bankman-Fried was running like a sex cult too? Dude, this is crazy. Is it true theta doesn't affect shorting? There's no shorting on there's no theta on shorting because you're literally selling you're selling the shares and hope to buy it back at a cheaper price. Same thing with futures, no theta. Did we ever hear what happened to Bankman? Not like fully, but we're gonna know within the next like couple weeks and months. SPY right back up. It's teeter 396. It flashed it there. Dude, imagine this just goes on like a monster run into close. What is the effect of theta when day trading? Well, you're still subject to time. Think about it. It's not like time stops during the day. Like you're still subject to, it's not like theta's like it happens at open, it stops, and then it happens again. Like time is continuous. So it'll keep affecting your contract as every second, minute, hour goes on. Let's see here. Ooh, 9 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Back down below 396. Let's say. Do. You're in Oxy? Which way? It was ripping earlier. Hope to God you aren't trading dailies. Which way are you trying to take this thing up? SPY back down a little here. What happened to you? Oh my God. Oh no. Ash Neal's emotional damage. Ash Neal's, this is what happens when you tell people the truth and you actually are out here making people money. And you warn people that a stock is going to go down when it's at 16 and the other thing is at 7. Then it goes to 5. And then, oh no, it's back to 6 something. Whoopee. And then the other things of what? Like, you're trying to make an argument here that you just can't win, bro. Like it's impossible to win. You've seen the data. The literal receipts are there. I don't know what you're trying to prove here, buddy. Let's see. Your day is complete. There you go, Tabasco. SPY slipping. Is there any time to play zero? There is, but why would you do that though? Like, why would you want to play 0 days right now? Like, what's the point? Could you scalp 10% on it? Yeah. Are you going to hit a crazy gain here? Well, the probabilities is what it's always is, highly unlikely, but possible. Mondays aren't usually sell-off days. You think it'll actually sell off? It's possible. To make more and sell ASAP, you better have a set take profit in there, buddy. SPY slipping. Oops. The Tabasco hammer. Yeah. Do you think the SPY will run bounce off the 200 EMA on the daily and downward at around 399? It could. It could. But AMD came back down to 50. Aren't you in at 12? Yeah, it's at 70, bro. Like, I think I could tell you the amount of money that I'm up on AMD in the last week. Now it's down a lot, like in the last year, but in like the last week, I think it's 10 grand. Like, it's something crazy like that. You like AMD? I like AMD too. Yeah, where is AMD right now? It was at 71 something. 72. There we go. Parts, I don't know, man. It's mainly because people are still like getting that hopium from people still talking about it on social media. And then they see a little bit of green and they're like, oh my God, this is it. And they don't see the cycle that happens all the time. And again, people are gonna like yell at me all the time. And here's the thing, I don't really give a shit if I piss people off, because at the same time, I'm here to help people make money. Let's see. With sunk costs and wanted to come back. That's true too. That's true too. Your first investment was 100 shares of AMD at 6, sold it at 10. Dude, I think I had like an extra 100 shares at 12 and sold it at like 30. It was nasty. I kicked myself for that one too. That was annoying. That and Husa. SV is a hedged bribe by nice linens. Let's see. For free information? Oh, Chill Angel. I didn't know that proprietary trading algorithms that we've created that are the best and first of their kind were free. I didn't know that. I didn't realize that you could just go out in the ether and do that. Fucking news to me, bro. People are so dumb, man. It's hilarious. Let's see here. And the thing is that the only people that are getting upset are the people that aren't in it. It's really tempting to not buy Bitcoin. Here's the problem. You're not the best, though? No, we are. No, we are the best, actually. We are guaranteed the best. Let's see. How much was the suit? I don't know. The problem with Bitcoin right now is that even if it starts to move back up, institutions are going to be really careful of it, because it doesn't matter if they have it in cold storage. If you're still going to see these exchanges and these brokers fuck around and cause the markets to tank, because it doesn't matter if the big institutional money like if they have it in cold storage, because there's still going to be idiots that are like, I want to leave it on the exchange. Let's see. Oh, Chill Angel, that's great, dude. Why are you in my live chat then? Nobody's going to follow you from here. Like, nobody cares. Spags, no. Let's see. When I used to invest alone years ago, I used to always make good gains. Was the bull market? Yeah. Gingy, you'll get there, buddy. Do I think Weeble is safe? Yeah. I mean, you're FDIC insured. Let's see. All right, team. Let's see. Is Tesla about to run? We can throw up Tessie real quick. Tesla. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Ooh, Tessie running up here a little bit. Let's see. 200% on Fubo. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. Bing. Bing. Let's see. Tessie looks like it's getting up there a little bit. Oh, there goes Spy. There goes Apple a little bit. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Nice. Notorious facts, buddy. Can you give us any tips when trading options? I can give you a metric fuckload of tips. Text Gabe to oil his clippers. This could just be a weird pop, lock, and drop. Be careful. Apple running up here a little bit. Tassie could be making a little move. Let's see. All right, team. Cross. Boom. There you go. Tell Gabe to oil his clippers. No. Let me take a look at the games channel today. Let's take a look. Because I've heard a couple of you guys have been going wild. Let's take a look over here. Oh, 1.4% on the day, 1.5% on the day. What's this one? Oh, nice 79% gain. Oh, yeah. Oh, 4% on the day, 570% on Oxy, 9% on the day. Holy shit, 3%, 8%. DM Ohio with a 350%er on Lucid. Holy shit, buddy. Jesus. Tyler, what'd you do? Cocaine just made you 2,100 today? You can't? Okay, whatever, bro. Fair enough. You're just digging it deeper. Tyler, you have to size down, get more time, and literally make sure that you're using the make it free strategy. Let's see. Nancy trying to move. This market is just juiced. Yeah, this week it's pretty nutty. Let's see. Come on. Also, it had been extremely volatile. That's true. You've seen weird swing. So it's not necessarily the volatility that's the problem. It's the chop. People have been getting caught up in the chop. So they'll have a good trade, and then it'll quickly reverse against them. Got to the party late today and kind of don't want to touch anything. Fair. That's a fair statement there. I mean, it's a Friday. You're seeing the kind of the reaction. Ash Niels, man, dude, I know you're still lurking here, but at the same time, I'm not going to lead people to the slaughter when I 100% believed it was going to absolutely tank. Then I told everybody about it. Then everybody said, fuck you. They were sending me death threats. And then you know what I said to that? I don't really give a shit. It's like, okay, it is what it is. And then people still come in this live chat every single day and are like, come on, talk about it. It's like, no, I already told you what was going to happen. I was in a funk. Seemed like everything was turning against me every trade. Decided down and taking more time with a tighter stop loss got you out. There you go. I'm just timing out on general principle now. There you go. FedEx trying to pop. FedEx has been popping all day. So, Jesus, 6% on the day. There you go. Natural gas, super volatile. We've talked about the natural gas trade a lot. If you're going to do it, you need a shitload of time, and then you're almost trying to attempt to make it free. So if you're going to do anything on natural gas, I mean, it's down a lot yeah, it's down 5.24. UNG was down a lot too. I mean, you could play the reversal on this thing. It does like to tank and then rip back up. SPY moving back up. Apple moving back up. Ho, 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 ho. Carl, no, that's not what it was at all. We had many conversations, and here's the thing: every single person. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Every single person in like with us was like, "Yeah, it doesn't look good," and we were all talking about it. And I was telling you guys the entire time exactly what was gonna happen about it. So you see that, and you're up, and you're like, "Oh man, this is bad." And it's like, no, no, no. We were talking about that the entire time. Let's see. That's just it, like if it, like even behind the scenes, I was like, yeah, I completely agree. Like, uh, let's see. You see, you guys you don't understand the whole picture of it. You'll see eventually about the whole picture of what happened, maybe. But again, at the same time, it's like you guys never like the people like you just don't understand what actually was going on. Let's see. You have a January call on open very cheap. If Delta is 0.16 and the stock has gone up 60 cents, shouldn't your call be up more than theta? You're also, you might be trading something that's a little bit too far out of the money. Because if the delta is 0.16, it's not going to move that much. Let's see here. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. SPY running up. Apple running up. Ho, 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 ho. I like it. Ape Scrotus. How about we just get you on a one-on-one, buddy? We're not going to do the paid in-person training, but come to the one-on-ones. The resources are there for you, buddy. Let's see. SPY running. Let's see. Apple running up there. Hoo, 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 hoo. Let's see here. Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty. TLT, what's up with TLT? Yeah, that TLT trade is going to be huge when it goes. It's almost back to 100. Holy shit. Pop, lock, and drop. We'll see. IWM really lagging behind. They were leading earlier. Like they were running up as the SPY was coming down earlier. So what are they up now? 0.58. SPY's up 0.5. So they've almost just caught up with each other. He's puckering. You still have $3 to go on the SPY. That's pretty big. That's a pretty big move to make. Apple running up here. Hoo, hoo, hoo. I like it. Foreign cash bump to get out of bad bonds before USD turns back. They might. I think a lot you'll see if the yields hold, which they're not, you would see a lot of money coming into them, which you did see back here, back here. So you saw a lot, especially after the inflation data here, you saw a lot of bond buying just because people are then expecting, okay, the yields may not go up as much anymore. What am I watching for SPY? Not much. I mean, you have this nice cross here that after it did it, settled down a little bit, you'd be up a little bit. But I mean, if you've already had a really, really solid week, which I know the vast majority of you guys have had, there's no reason to push it. Let's see. Thomas, how would I know? How would I know what he's doing? Let's see. He wasn't playing today? Yeah, so then he's not playing today. New 5-minute candle. Let's see. 396.60. Oh, this is going to be fun. Dun, 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 dun. All right. SPY holding on a little bit here. Apple looking good. Every TLT still moving up. Dollar still dollar coming down. The dollar's just been bleeding out all day, dude. Look at this. Just ding, 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 ding. Woo, ding, 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 ding. You're playing today and shouldn't be? Jessica, what are you doing? You accidentally made your y-axis percentage instead of price. How the hell do you change it back? What do you call it? What brokerage are you on? Are you on TradingView? Or are you on like Webull or something? Dollar lost like 3 months of inflation. Yeah, which is weird. Best place to put 20 grand. Something that you know very well. Honestly, I'd run the wheel on it first. When our one-on-ones? Monday night, buddy. Monday night. All right, SPY running up here a little bit. Apple just kind of pitter-pattering its way up here. Yeah, I like that. Let's see. You're being careful. I would be. Personally, I'm not putting any more money in anything long-term right now until we get the light at the end of the tunnel. After market close. No. They're on the night stream, buddy. They're on the night stream. All right, guys. I got to go grab water because I'm thirsty. Make sure you guys hit that like on the way in too. And if you do want to hop in there with us, I mean, you see all the success that people are having. It's on social media all the time. I've pulled up the gains channel for you guys constantly. You have all weekend to come and learn the strategy. If you guys do want to hop in there with us, here's that link right there if you guys are interested. But give me like 2 seconds. I'll go grab some water really quickly, and then I will be right back. Oh, we're also like 27 likes away from 150 too. I appreciate that, team. I'm getting water, bro. Why would I need to wash my hands if I was getting water? You guys, you people. See how quick that was, dude? There was no need to wash my hands. You people. Let's see. All righty, team. What do we got? He left us. Dude, that was like 2 seconds. I need to get more liquid IV too. You're letting the Bulls do their run. 405 is your target. J-Pow 75 basis points on I don't know if you're getting 75. I think they're pricing it in 50. Let's see. Let's see. What does this look like? Ooh, I like that. Yes, I did. Ho, we just got an update for the new thing that we're bringing out to you guys. This is gonna be big. Oh, that's sweet, dude. Let's see. Oh, there goes SPY. There goes Apple. Ah! You're drinking flavored seltzer. It's got mild battery acid taste. See, but like seltzer water, flavored seltzer water kind of tastes like boozed up anyway. So like, why not just drink the boozed one? When's that coming out? Very soon, man. Very soon. Just 450% more to get it back to its original price. Yeah, bro. And bink. No nonsense policy enacted. People get so butthurt, bro. It's so funny. It's like, all right, bro, fucking. Let's see. And bink. You yell like you're on fire. I do. Ah! Spy running. That's probably how Gabe's feeling right now. We might, if it hits 400, he does have to shave his head. So that would be interesting. Apple new highs. Let's see. And what's that, Mark? What is that? Reminds me of Home Alone. Yeah, it does. Spy is kind of blasting up almost near the highs here. 397.57. Interesting. Here we go. Yeah, what is that, Mark? Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. New highs on Apple. Let's see. All right. Spy moving a little bit here. There goes Apple. New highs. Woo! Let's see. There goes Spy. And then Screaming Terror. You need to specify up or down. Well, it's going up. You don't have the charts out? When we get Helmo. Helmo, I think it's okay. I'd have to look. Helmo should be live today, but I don't know. I'd have to ask Andy. Shouldn't have sent this barber home. Gonna be shaving a fresh cut, dude. I know. Lots of new highs. Yeah, the market's just ripping, man. The market's just going. Helmo's live today. That's what I thought too. It was super confusing when we were talking last night because Andy just sent the thumbs up, and I was like, "What does this mean?" I was like, "Does this mean yes or does this mean I'll do?" Like, I just didn't know. I was like, "Wait, what are we doing here?" Let's see. Oh, these are sweet, dude. Marvel just came across Helmo. Dude, Helmo's a monster. Ah, there it is. Well, let's see if they're gonna go. Let's see if they're gonna go. Gas Enbridge. Right, but what's the ticker, Mark? What's the ticker? Let's see. Ooh, 12 likes away from 150. Appreciate it, team. People get excited about their penny stocks moving pennies. Dude, I know. I know. It's what the nope. Who's that? I can't. Hold on one sec. I know I'm muted. My buddy just called me and I was like, hey, stop. I don't know why it comes through everywhere. I was like, wait a second. I'm trying to click something and it just wasn't working. I was like, why isn't this letting me click? Isn't Helmo just an updated Invictus? Yes, but it's turbocharged. It's a lot cooler than it was. It's like probably it's like around, I would say 2 times accurate. Avatar revealed. Where is Helmo? It just got it got put into the Invictus tab. So it is the new Invictus that its nickname is Helmo. Do you think it'd be smart to hold your next Friday TQQQ puts until we get some downside to juice the premiums back up? If you are perfectly fine with holding that and your risk management is there, then do whatever. But if you look at the charts are saying it's probably going to continue to come up for a little bit until we get some more fear in here. Secret sauce in Helmo? Yeah, there is secret sauce in Helmo. There's secret sauce in all of our algorithms, guys. Like, you can't just like be like, oh yeah, this is no. Like, they're nasty. That's why Trader Joe is up so much. Like, they're nasty algorithms. I'm gonna talk so much shit at all the bullshit hedge funds that we just beat at the end of the year and be like, oh, you did all this nonsense so that we could still beat you? Haha, too bad. Should have just 1348'd it. ENB. Perfect. Thanks, Mark. I'm guessing this is oil. I think you said, yeah, oil and gas transportation. That thing looks good on the daily. Jesus. Yeah, the algorithm that I'm running right now is up like 0.22% on the day too. Oh, that thing is crushing it there. Oh, I'm taking that. Thank you. Yeah, I just saw a position that was up like 10% on shares, bro. I was like, yep, I'm selling that. There's another one that's up 5, 4, 4, 2.5, 3.5. Nice. Those are killing it, dude. I'm just saying the metrics in Helmo not talked about when prior people were around. You can't create an Invictus. It's not it's not something that you can just like whip up. It's all proprietary. What up, SCV? Loved yesterday's CPI video. Dude, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see here. Yeah, Apple running up, SPY running up here again. Let's see. Where is Cassie? What do I think about the Marvel Invictus? What do you say to people who call EMAs imaginary lines? I think what they're trying to do is just be like, no, that's wrong and I'm right. Their strategy is wrong and I'm right. It's like, dude, here's the deal. There's a lot of trading strategies out there, and there's a lot of ones that are profitable. You have to stick to one and say, this is what I want to do. And then it comes down to 80% discipline and risk management. Like, that's really what it is. EMAs are there for a reason. They work. But let's take a look at Marvel Invictus. That doesn't look bad. Apple just shot up there. SPY just shot up a little bit. There we go. Nice gain on V puts today. Thank you, 1348. Robert Anthony. There we go, buddy. Stick to something, learn it, own it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You can't just be like you can't be a whore with your trading strategy. You can't just be like, oh, I'm going to just hop around and think this is going to work out for me, because it won't. Because you're not focusing on the two most important pieces, discipline and risk management. If you're already hopping around, one, you're not disciplined. Two, well, then the risk management aspect of it is completely out the window, because you're essentially saying, okay, I think this is going to be the next thing that's going to work. But if the other thing didn't work, then you're just chasing back losses. So your risk management is probably shitty anyway. Dixie's going to 5. No, it's not. The dollar is not going to 5. Let's see here. Nice. I've got some Apple calls that are killer right now. Dude, this is just nasty. These Apple calls are up, what, 20%? Thanks. I like it. For next week, boom. Nice, man. I like that. Please tell me you made bags playing SPY 0 day yesterday. No, dude, I don't really play 0 day very often. But if you look at my my Twitter or Instagram, you'll see a really nasty trade that I had. Like a really, really, really dirty one. And it was on AMD. It was pretty filthy. You never trade this late, but the cross on SPY is treating you nicely. Nice. About to break day highs on SPY. It's trying to right now. What's the high? 397.55. Apple's getting up there. If Apple runs above 150 today, that could be nasty, dude. I'll check it out. Props to that. Yeah, it's probably the second largest percentage gain trade that I've had in like the last 6 months. The big one was Lucid 750%. So this one comes in at number 2. God. Isn't that nasty? Let's see here. Another double top on SPY. It could. If it breaks, you might see it try and run to 400. You really might. Let's see here. SPY pushing. Here we go. Oh, 3 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Happy Friday, everybody. And also for all you guys in here, too, happy Veterans Day. Let's see. Office Space? I don't know what that is. Anyone play FedEx today? I didn't, but I mean, it was nasty. Power hour is still a bit away. It can do 400. I agree with you. It could also reject and sell off very hard as profit taking happens at the end of the week. Keep it up. Your outlook TA is the most level-headed and fact-based I've found amongst the massive shift into financial. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Your name is from Office Space? Oh, yeah, I don't know then. I don't know. Freaking hilarious. Hey, man. See, you remember, I didn't know how to use a microwave a while ago, but I know exactly how to like read macroeconomic shifts and trends. So sometimes you know things, sometimes you don't. I did. What is Office Space? How old is this? Is this a movie from the 80s, bro? Is that what you're trying to tell me here? It's like a movie from the 80s? See, I don't know. What is this? Oh, you boomer 1999? That's my age. Like I was born in 99. So you're talking about a movie that came out the year that I was born, bro. How am I supposed to know these things? If I haven't seen it, I need to. All right, man. Thank you. I will take a look. All you boomers in here telling me to watch movies that came out the year I was born. And I don't even think that's like a very popular movie because like I've watched a lot of movies in my time. You started trading in 99? Jesus. Office Space is epic. Okay, fine. Fine. It's called Being Cultured. No, I know, but like I've seen Boiler Room. Bro, if I'm a boomer, I don't think so. Nvidia new high. Oh yeah, we have IWM over here. We don't really need that. Is Nvidia really cranking up the new highs? Oh shit, there it goes, man. Let's see. It was directed in Dallas, Texas. Cool. Go. Dude, I've never heard of this movie before. Never ever have I heard of this movie. At least your name isn't Michael Bolton. See, now you're making references that I just won't understand. Up 50%, 1348. There you go, buddy. There you go. Let's see if Apple can get this run to 150. That'd be interesting here. Watch it this weekend. I have a lot of things to do this weekend. And it probably won't involve watching movies. It's gonna definitely involve what's on my Twitter. And some other stuff too. So you don't know about the red streamline stapler? Nope. Calling broke to Stoke. SPY pumping. Apple not really getting that juice here. Nancy is though. Nancy. Dude, what is AMD at right now? Fuck. Dude, I sold those contracts so early. Those would be up like 600-700% now. Dude, come on. I kind of want to see how much I'm up on AMD today in my long port. Let's see. Because that'll be fun to watch. That'll be a fun sight to see. The long portfolio making moves. Because I know what it did yesterday, which was nasty. You must verify your identity. I know, I know. All right. Let's take a look. How's Amanda doing for us today? This rate, AMD hit 74. Well, it'd be hey, why is this not working? Come on, refresh. Apparently, it's not letting me do this. That's not nice. There we go. Oh, let's see. Nice. A couple thousand. You think Gabe is sweating a little? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. That's a big move. It would have to get a little squeezy towards the end of the day for that to happen. Apparently, I'm up 12% on the day after yesterday's 15. Not angry. Nice, man. There you go. Apple looking to break highs. Dude, AMD's back in the zone where I had all these levels drawn out. That's hilarious. Come on, Amanda. Let's go. Market squeeze for dump in December or next week. What are those Apple contracts up? I haven't even looked. 20, still at 20%. 20 and a half. Nice. Killer, man. Let's see. Topic. That's great. Remember, what goes up must come down eventually. Let's see. Your only level on AMD is 7680. Nice. Let's see. Let's see here. What's the algo's basically flat today. That's fine. Let it fly. Let the algo do its thing. Instead of watching probably Squirrel. I think I've got some fun things planned. I'll be having a good time. Especially after these last few weeks. Take profit, stop loss set. Time to day drink. Amazing week on your port. John, there you go, buddy. John, you've been killing it with us, dude. So if oh, let me pop back into the gains channel. Let me see what we got. Dude, you guys amaze me every single day with the amount of money you're making with us. It's awesome to see. Congratulations to those of you guys who have been with us for a while. You guys are doing awesome. Let's see. SPY moving. Apple not at the highs yet, but getting there. Squirrel, that was a good one. 1348 till death. I'm a believer. There we go, buddy. Yeah, I mean, we're killing it over here. We're in our own little bubble of just money printing. Totally expected a dip, not a rip, but account is green. Thanks to stocks. There you go, AR guy. That's nice. All right, SPY starting to get up there. Apple not making that move yet. If Apple starts to run there, you might see it boost the SPY a little bit. But SPY is looking to crack 398 here. It just made a new high on the day. You feel like you're close? Tyler, 100%, buddy. It takes time. It does take time. There is a learning curve. The main thing is focus on making sure that your risk management is set up in a good way. That looks like some real fancy tequila. I mean, you could say it. You could say it's like real fancy, and then I was expecting some people to be like, dude, you're so basic, bro. And it's like, bro, I just like that tequila. If that tequila was $20, I'd still buy it. It just happens to be good tequila. Kate may be a bit worried now. Should we call him? Should we call him? Should we call him? Ooh, 22% on the apples. There it goes. New highs. Nice. You really need to get disciplined with the rules? Yes, you do. Call him? Should we? Call him at $3.99. All right, if we get to $3.99, we'll call him. How about that? Took about 5 months for it to click. Takes time to rewire your brain from to the moon mentality. Yeah. Text him at $3.98. Say $2 away. Añejo. Dude, I found a spot where the Casa Añejo was the same price as the Reposado, and I was like, I think this is fake here, and I need to exploit this little glitch in the matrix. SPY hit 400. No, it didn't. It did not. Look, nowhere has it hit 400. It's getting there, though. Apple's starting to shoot there. There we go. Shake it with ice. Strain it. Orange wedge. Yeah, see, here's what I do. I just grab like a solo cup and then throw some ice in there and then let it fly. Apple really getting up there. What are these up? 25%? Nice. Killer, bro. 26? Oh, Apple might do it, dude. You don't need to chase tequila, drink it neat. I don't chase it. I just throw it in ice and then have a good time. NVIDIA and AMD ripping. Dude, I wish I held those. I wish I held some of the, what do you call it? Some of the other free plays. But those AMDs, dude, were up 500%. Come on now. Come on. Hold on. I'll put the link to that tweet over here so you guys can see it. Because everybody's gonna be like, bro, but do like you're faking it over here. It's like, no, here it is. Go take a look. That thing's a monster. There goes SPY. There goes Apple. Woo, baby. 27%. I like it. I like it a lot. With cinnamon and an orange slice, it was actually pretty good. That's kind of interesting. Your Roku calls are over 260. That's solid, man. There you go. Squeezy, squeezy. What tequila? It's the Clase Azul. But the link to I put a picture of the thingy over there. Tesla gap at 196. It might touch it there. Dude, these fucking hedges were wild today. Four-hour cross. Isn't it still below the 200 EMA though? Oh, there it goes. Let's see. There goes SPY. There goes Apple. Woo! 28% on these apples. Nice, dude. 29. %20 off the Helmo Marvel. Nice. Where did that go? Oh, dude, look at that. Look at that move with Helmo there. Dude, every single day. There you go. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. A little slippage over here. Dude, that Marvel is still going. There you go. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Nice. Let's see. A little slippage on the SPY. Let's see. Nice. Let's see. Marvel still, dude, that Helmo trade is dirty. That is fire. That's why you guys are there, man. That thing is nasty. Let's go 400. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know if we're gonna get to 4. You could do it, but I don't know. It's gonna be a bit spicy going into the end of the day. What time did I get the apple? I'll tell you right now. Let's see. Right around 12:12, 12:15. So like where is it? Right here. Right around here. Woo! That was close, bro. That was close. Oh, I bet he was paid off. Idiots, bro. Nobody's paying off anybody. Let's see. All right, team. So, dude, that Marvel play is getting dirty. Let's see. Tinfoil ads coming out, dude. I know. Almost done. Dude, I knocked the coffee cup over and it hit my water cup. Spy shark. Let's see. That's when you sold. You thought it was over. Not another figure. The tequila's trying to get you. Dude, I don't even have the tequila. The tequila is like, oh, way the fuck over there. Let's see. Heard glass. It's like a what do you call it? It's like a ceramic thingy. All right, team. Keep hitting that like on the way in. Let's see. All right, Spy slipping back down. Come on. Everything's starting to move back in the other direction here. Uh-oh. Let's see what we got. Oh, I like it. This live broadcast sponsored by FTX? Dude, no, I never promoted any of those crypto shitholes. Let's see. Nancy slipping. Spy with a nice crack there. Let's see. Let's see. Dumped a drink on a keyboard once. Nice. Baba says single day result in line with a year ago. Ooh, hold on. What's singles day results in line with a year ago. Annual sales event featured 290,000 brands. Is Baba moving on that? Not yet. It's just kind of fucking around with the spy. He's shorting to save his hair. He could be trying to. Let's see. Let's see here. Where is this? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, dude. I love all the weird conspiracies over here. Guys, I told you it was going down at 16 and 7. We're not doing this today. It's relax, everybody. You're up 6% on the day and you're out. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Let's see. Apple running up here. Let's see if SPY ends up getting that crack. Come on. Let's see. I like this fun trade here. Nancy. Huh. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep hitting that like on the way in. Oh, you guys are killing it. We're almost at 200 today. Thank you, team. Happy Friday, everybody, and happy Veterans Day. Let's see. Baba trying to slowly make its way up here. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Nice. You might be out at 6% as well, though it's still strong. Nice. Benzinga, unusual options activity catches my attention when it shows. There are a couple of ways that you can use unusual options activity. I probably wouldn't use it intraday. I'd more so use it on longer time frames to see where things might head in the just because like you could just see idiots that are just gambling. Tabasco Dave, stop. Let's see. Apple slipping here. Oh, I don't think Gabe's going to be as nervous with that. But if it slips to 13, you might see it bend back around. That was a 4-hour 200 EMA rejection. There you go. There you go. Hey, I'm not an idiot. No, I'm talking about like hundreds of thousands of dollars coming in on like 0 days. Like that's a bit crazy. I probably still wouldn't follow those. Let's see. See where big money is placed in options, but we don't care. We 1348. Exactly, man. The other thing that you can do though is that if you're playing Pythagoras or Trader Joe, you can look and get an additional layer of confirmation with flow. So you can say, okay, is there big money coming in at the same time that this alert is firing off? Like if you were to just go off of the algorithm, you're going to have some solid success. Like Trader Joe and Pythagoras are monsters. But if you want that additional layer of confirmation, you could easily run it with and just add some unusual options flow to it. Here comes SPY slipping a little lower. Let's see. All right, I got to grab some more water. I will be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot. Let's see. And make sure if you guys really want to come and take control of your accounts on a day-to-day basis and make sure you're actually making money each and every day, here you go. Oh, wait, that's not it. Here it is. Boom. There you go. All the proprietary algorithms, live streams, everything. Give me like 2 seconds. I'll grab some water. Make sure you guys hit that like on the way in. Ooh, we're almost at 200. All right, I'll be right back. All righty, team. Let's see. SPY tapping. Let's see. Apple flickering around. Nancy, look at dude. Everything just looks like it wants to go. But it is the end of the day here too, so you do have to be a little bit careful. EL nears $2.8 billion deal to buy Tom Ford. Watch that. Usually the company buying sells off, so watch that one. Let's see. Let's see if it gets that move. Now says getting water when he goes to the bathroom. So don't tell him to wash his hands. I have new water right here, bro. You really thought we would see 390 today? I mean, you have to give it a day to digest it. Like the SPY is up 0.73% with a lot of other stock cooking, dude. Let's see. Like Apple's been on a moon mission. Nancy with earnings next week is ripping, dude. Yeah, I don't think this is going to get the reaction on the Tom Ford buyout news. Where's Tesla? Did Tesla end up getting back to 2? No. No. Armenia, dude, the biggest play that will come is the TLT trade. That is the trade that you need to look out for that people are just sleeping on. They're like, no, I want to make money on the thing that I want to. And it's like, it's right in front of everybody. The TLT trade is going to be dirty, bro. And we're kind of getting there too. We're getting to the point where you could see the TLT trade start to get there. But it's going to happen next year. Jeffrey, one, that's not what happened. I had like 25,000 subscribers before. And then I told all of you guys that it was going to absolutely tank when AMC was at 18 or 16. And then Ape was at 7. Make a video on it. I did already. So if you want to go look at the timeline, just go back and look at the last couple videos I did on it. And then what happened to price after. And then everybody was like, oh my God, fuck you. You've been paid by the hedgies. And I was like, all right, bro, see what happens. And then I was correct. Now you're seeing a little bit of a pump on it, which is great. Again, at the end of the day, you guys can hate me all you want, but I'm always going to be here to try and help you guys make money. So what I don't want you guys doing is putting money into something that you don't have a plan to sell with an unreasonable price target that, again, you're in a recession where you may not have all of this money to spend, but you're thinking that you're going to get this lottery ticket that could or could not happen. There's a lot of uncertainty. So what's my AMD at? I sold it at around that 500. What makes you so confident in the TLT play? Well, I'm confident in the possibility. If Powell flashes the green light, I'm going all in on it. No, I'm not going all in on it. That's a poor choice of words, but I will slap it. I don't even want to know what the AMDs are at. I'll look at the contract prices on it because they were the 71s for today. Oh, they're at 200. Holy shit. That's ridiculous. Actually making money daily now thanks to SCV and Gabe and the rest of this amazing community. Top of content. I appreciate that, man. That's what it's all about. Oh, let's see. Killed it on call. There you go, James. It's all about making money. That's what it's all about. Apple slipping, SPY slipping. Let's see. Solana at these levels. Solana, you think TLT will go down more? Dev, I think so too. I think TLT is going to come down more too. But you're waiting for Powell. Why do you see the TLT trade is kind of starting? The only reason why it's starting is you got that indication from Powell that they're most likely going to overcook things. So essentially what you're doing, yeah, I'll just link the video. That makes a lot more sense. Hold on, let me grab the video really quick. Because I break it down. Like literally everything after the last Fed meeting, I was like, this is gonna get interesting here. And I realized it on the live stream with you guys that morning, and I was like, whoa, here it is right here. Let's say get this out of here. So yeah, so here's the TLT video. How about a like? I provide good info. I would say that I provide some of the best info. It's just if you pay attention. TLT play is hindering on the Fed and things to play out. You're waiting for certain chips to fall first. Yeah, exactly. We have over a month until Powell speaks again. Well, that's fine. I don't think the trade's going to happen until next year. You need the Fed to overcook things in order for the trade to get really interesting. You need the 10-year to go up more. You need a little bit more fear, and then Powell to come out and say everything that he's going to cook it in the other direction. Michael, there's a lot more things behind the scenes than you guys actually realize. So you can think that, but that's not necessarily the case. Uh, let's see. But yeah, the TLT trade is probably next year. Ooh, SPY running up there. Hello. SPY getting some nice movement. You're burning it for the week, just hanging out for the bit with the team before the weekend. There we go. Questions answered. Get the likes up. Jeez. Thanks, Life Wisdom. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah. So essentially, what they're going to do very shortly is that the risk is not that they're not going to run the risk of not tightening enough. So what they're most likely going to do is over tighten to make sure that they get this situation under control. And at that point is when it switches. Am I trading with the new MACD? Yeah. That's one of the reasons why we hit that nasty SPY trade this Tuesday. It was filthy, dude. Squirrel and I were talking about it. It was this one right here. We can go over it quickly. It was this one. This one, I was entering right around here where you can see it fit. You can see it better on the trading view charts that we give you guys, but you can see it fizzling down here. Stop at 385. It goes bing, dead. I didn't think it was going to go down this much. I was actually looking for it to play down to the 48, but that was a nasty trade there. And now my SPY chart's fucked up. Ooh, SPY new highs. There you go. Oh, dude, this is getting nasty. Yeah, SPY new highs. Yeah. Apple isn't at highs yet, though. Everyone thought puts in the market rips. That's why I hedged it to the upside too. 400 is within reach. Yeah. Cave clinching a bit. He might be. Let's see. Flicker. Wayne, you should have never allowed that trade to get there. It's the same problem every day, Wayne. It's the same problem every day. Let me see. At least he brought in his barber, so it wouldn't be a hack job. We'll see. SPY going. SPY is going, man. Let's see. All right, folks. What are we gonna get here? Is this gonna turn into a knife at the end of the day, or are they gonna just let these things go? So, dude, this is gonna be the most hilarious afternoon live stream with you guys if this actually happens. So that stop loss, stop being greedy. Exactly. You're not getting a haircut the same day as me again, are you? I was gonna get one this week, and then I was like, nah, no thanks. We'll see. Sorry. I'm trying to respond to something. Oh, let's see. Apple rip in there. SPY. It looks like it could do it, dude. Sam, when are you getting a haircut? Pepe wants the knife? Dude, Algo's been wanting the knife too. Dude, this is aggressive here. This is an aggressive move higher. Ah! Let's see. On a single candle, 0 days? You can't play 0 days, dude. Like, what are we doing here? What, like, is that, have we ever said part of the strategy? Yeah, just fucking play 0 days. No. You just got back from yours? No. Everybody's cheering for the knife. I don't know if we're going to get it. I don't know. What is 0 day? It's when you trade contracts that expire that day. So, like, if I were to trade contracts that expired today, Theta is going to come in and kick you in the teeth. Any move against you is going to send you down crazy percentages. Armenia, right now, there is no free trial. We've done a bunch of them in the past, but we do have some interesting things coming, though. So get ready. But Armenia, we'd love to see you in there, buddy. Sounds irresponsible. It is irresponsible. All right, let's see. But any move for you would send it up in crazy segments as well. Right. But then you could, yeah, but here's the thing. You can't think about that. You have to think about what your risk is. You can't be thinking about how much you could gain. You have to think about how much you could lose. Unless you're entering the trade with like a super small percentage of your portfolio and you're essentially playing with the stop loss that you would play with on a normal sized trade, which then is fine. But in general, no, because people don't do that. I highly doubt Wayne went in and said, okay, I'm going to put a tiny percentage of my portfolio in there. Are these 4-hour cross-ups legit with the way the market has gone up the last few days? I think it needs to cool for a bit. I think you'll see it be more digested over the weekend. And you also have to be very careful of what's going to happen with the crypto space. Like, dude, Apple is pumping here. Let's see. I just threw another gain on the Instagram if you guys want to go see that. Make sure you guys are following me over there too. If you guys are not already, I'll follow the Apple hedge. The one from this morning, yes. That's a new Apple play. Wayne, if you're playing next Friday, then your contracts must be so deep out of the money. I don't know how that happens. But yeah, I'll follow all you guys back over there right now. But this will be fun, man. Oh, what's up, Instagram people? How we doing? All right, SPY slip. Let's see. Ooh, 11 likes away from 200. I appreciate that. It helps make the risk more real in your mind. What does? One of the questions you have to ask yourself are executing the trade. Do you accept risk losing? Yes, exactly. What's your IG enable mine bet? Yeah, well, I put it in the live chat there, buddy. I have some fun stuff coming to the Instagram too. I haven't been here in a while, but I want to pump liquidity so people can hold my bags. Dude, exactly. That's exactly what was going on. Cheaper contracts don't take much to be down larger percentages. Exactly. Even Steel's at a new high. Fuck Steel, bro. Hey, I did make it back on the Steel, though, which was nice. I got it back. Steel fucked me that one time, like earlier this year. And then I got it back. I said, fuck you. And I traded Steel again. Nancy, a little slip. Yeah, dude, Steel was dirty. I gave it back. Yeah, I gave it right back to him. I was like, fuck you, Steel. This is my market. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh, the Instagram people are coming in. What's up, everybody? How you doing? Let's see. Dude, it would be so funny if they brought this thing to 400. Let's see. Gabe's gonna shave his head. He might have to. I don't know. Oh, we're running up. Let's see if Apple can break some new highs over here. Let's see. Dixie could drop to 105.80. Yeah, it could. Well, where is it right now? Jesus, bro. The dollar is getting fucking killed. Yeah, I see that right here. 105.80. I see that. Dude, the dollar is potentially in for a nasty pop at some point. Apple getting there. Let's see, team. Oh, yeah, these could be good. There goes Apple at new highs. Woo! You're about to go scorched earth and hurt feelings. Do it, Tabasco Dave. Do it. Ooh. Next Halloween, you should just walk around with a giant beanstalk. No. Loving the slow and steady climb. Oh, shark. They don't want it there yet. They don't want it there yet. Let's see. No, the TLT play will be to the upside. Make sure you watch the TLT video. Make sure you watch the TLT video. It's out there. Tradable stock. Yep. Let's see. Spy little shark there. Let's see. CV Carvana. It's dog shit. Like it's in terms of a company, but it's very tradable. Oh my god. 10% today. Wasn't it up like 30 yesterday? Where was this at? 7. It's at 11. Holy shit. Jesus. You have 4-hour levels for Apple at 149.91. Yeah. You just did, and that's what made me think it was to the downside because you said about the UK. Well, okay. Well, the bonds, the yields will move to the downside, but TLT will go up. So make sure you pay attention to that video. I go over what happened with the 10-year and TLT. So if 10-year goes down, TLT shoots. DWAC on watch up 10.5% and popping. Uh-oh. DWAC. Oh, hello, DWAC. I would probably not touch this thing to the upside because it loves to just shark fin on these big candles here. But hey, whatever floats your boat. Visiting Asia this weekend. What's he visiting for? Is there any news on the meeting? Like, is there any like scheduling of what it's like, why he's going there? Let's see. Oh, you followed me? Let me look. Let me get you, buddy. There we go. Better put some respect. I don't know who that is, buddy. So you're gonna have to explain that one a little more. I do not know who that is. You came up with a good name for your boat? Luigi, what's the name for your boat? There goes Apple new highs. Nice. Power hour was pretty fun yesterday. A lot can happen. Dude, imagine this thing gets to fucking 400. It's not out of the question that it happens. It could happen, man. Oh, we are 2 likes away from 200 now. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Let's see. But it refers to midnight settlement. What is that? What is midnight settlement? Are you talking about sex? Like, what are you talking about? Are you trying to make a joke here, pal? Apple isn't at highs? Yes, it is. What are you talking about? This is breaking day highs as we speak. Oh, these are killer. He's very good. Well, thank you. Well, we're gonna have some fun on the Instagram soon. Oh, there goes Spy. There it goes. FTX US news? Oh shit. FTX US stopped processing withdrawals midday Friday. Oh, that's so bad. That is so bad. Uh-oh, hold on. What's Bitcoin gonna do on that? That's not good. That's this. That's these candles right here. Spy. Hold on, Spy. Dude, Apple is about to break 150. All right, these Apple calls are killer now. Can I make these free? Oh, not yet. Uh-oh. And shark. December CPI is 12.13 in the yeah, dude, I know it's gonna be nuts. That time in December is gonna be crazy. This time they'll know the number ahead of time instead of just shooting out the bar. Yep, they will. Luigi, thanks, buddy. I appreciate you coming in here too, pal. Can that FTX news shark the market? It can, unless everybody has just priced in FTX going completely bankrupt. All right, remember, if SPY hits 399 in the time that we're on this stream, we're calling Gabe. This will be fun. Oh, you guys are killing it on the likes too. This is a fun day, man. That nasty AMD trade earlier. Woo! Gabe's internet is gonna be out all of a sudden. No, he would do it. Let's see. SPY Apple looking. If Apple breaks 150, that could get a little nutty. So we'll see. If this thing like really runs towards the end of the day, that would be fun. FTX, I'm pretty sure they already had put their money in, like a bunch of money in Voyager. Apple's teetering. It's looking for the break here. Mm, 2 cents away. Riot, nasty candle, down or up? Riot got some candles on that. Apple pushing. Where's Bitcoin though? We'll leave Bitcoin on here for a while as that news gets digested. Apple tapped 150, got rejected. SPY's coming up here. Apple's above your 4-hour level. Yeah, but the key psychological one is gonna be what do you call it? 150. Yeah, this is filth here. This is getting nutty. Let's see. Yeah, the algo's flat too today. It's got like a mix of positions right now, and we updated it a little bit, so it's going to take some time for it to start doing stuff again. Thanks for the DOAC idea. 18% on a put closed. Eddie, fuck yeah, buddy. Jesus. Did that thing do exactly what it always does? Yup. Dude. Told ya. DOAC loves to do this. Every single time it gets these big rip candles, it just goes limp, limp. Good trade there, man. Where is yeah, let's throw Bitcoin back up here. It's trying to come back up, but Apple's trying to fight 150. I don't know if it's gonna be able to do it. You were right on it. Yeah, dude, that was a nasty one. Congratulations, dude. That's a good trade, Eddie. Yeah, that's a nice scalp. Let's see. 399.30 hard rejection. You think? Where is that? Where's that from? I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, DWAC always does that. I didn't see any news on it either. I was like, all right, well, yeah, good shit, dude. Apple trying. Oh, the 200 on the daily. Thanks. That makes more sense. Luke Slowwalker, what's up, man? How you doing? Oh, the Weeble 200 daily. Where is it on? It should be the same on TradingView. Oh, this is at 401.59. Okay. So you got a little bit more room on TradingView. FTX had investment in Luna and got, yeah, didn't tell anyone to use customers' money for other investments. Yeah, they had no stop losses, bro. SPX. What are some other high premium tickers to consider? Burke A. I'm just kidding. I don't even think they have a chain. I don't know. I mean, Tesla's a little expensive. There's nothing really that's like super expensive anymore. Like Chipotle, maybe, because everything's split. Like Tesla split, Amazon split, everything really split. So now the premiums are a lot more affordable across the board. Sharkity shark shark sharkin'. Enough room for a 5-minute candle to close over the 400. Ooh. Ortex on Burke. No, dude, I don't even have Ortex anymore. There's zero chance it doesn't hit 400, but it will knife or rip. Dude, this is fun to watch here. I want to see if the buyers are going to step back up on this thing and be like, it's time. Because this is where the institutional money was going to come in. That's what we were talking about today. It's like this 392 to like 396 zone is where they're going to step up and start buying. It was a 400. It was 400. It was a 5-minute candle close above 400. That's what the deal is for a head shave, which is going to be hilarious. Bitcoin pop. It's trying there. Let's see. You got 2 minutes until new candles over here, too. Here we go. Okay, Tabasco Dave, you don't have to time out everybody, dude. You don't have to do it to literally everybody. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, boy. Let's see. The sacrifices? Dude, the sacrifices were fun. Those were always a good time. Let's see. All right, folks. SPY slipping, Apple doing its thing. I mean, if I don't know if that the real news that's going to move Bitcoin is probably going to be BlockFi or any other of these exchanges or brokerages that are going to go down too. Marlon, no, absolutely not. If you ask for them, Let's see. I gotta charge my phone really quick. Oh, Tabasco's got the power today. Let's see. Ooh, I might have missed some of you guys on Instagram over here. Yeah. Why is Dixie selling so much? Could be currencies nonsense. Like this could be Japan or the gilts. I haven't taken a look at the gilts in a while. The 10 years coming down here. Let's see. I don't think mods can sacrifice other mods. I've never seen that attempted. Mods, fight. I don't think mods can sacrifice other mods. It'd be hilarious if they could, though. We could have like battle royale, just like how Squirrel and I were doing those with the what do you call it? The spy puts and calls that one day last week. We're going back to 396 before close. That'd be nice. What's that? Right? Whoa, that's VWAP. Bing. Let's see. A lot of people are violating the no nonsense policy today. Uh-oh. Make a new name, come back. Let's see. Lunch money stolen daily. All right, folks. You guys are killing it on the likes today. I appreciate that team. Oh, there goes a little spy knife. Knife on the spy. That's interesting. Let's see. There's just some nonsense that makes me laugh too hard. Sometimes it gets me, but not always. It doesn't get me all the time. Sometimes you guys make me laugh, but I feel like that's part of the experience. Like me laughing at you. Like more with you or like at the things that you say. A lot of the time I do laugh at a lot of you guys. You got beat up by nuns, bro? Hold on. How did you get assaulted by nuns? Looks like Gabe's in the clear for now. For now. He's in the clear for now. Apple hit 150 and then just rejected hard. Wait, I have that 149 level too. Oh, no, I think I might have just drawn this out as close to 150 as I could. Profit taking time? We'll see. Catholic school? They hit you with the ruler? Oh, Michael, Jesus. Jeez, bro. That's aggressive. You're not completely wrong, but like your daily goals make SEV facepalm or scream on a daily basis. Am I wrong? No, I mean, you're not. Is Gabe shorting this buy by all means necessary? No, I don't think so. Why? How would I know? He can't. He's not going to come in here and be able to move markets, guys. Nancy slipping, Apple slipping. Let's see what I was a spy and everything else here. FTX withdraws to derivatives clearing plan from US CFTC. That's not good. Dude, FTX is fucked. Craig, it's literally just the market, buddy. Oh, dude, I've never seen the algo go this flat on a day. Little bounce here. Let's see. Am I still green on these? Let me see. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Nice. I've got a lot of positions cooking here going into next week, team. A lot of things cooking. Let's see. Don't Tabasco. Don't time out Wayne. Wayne is a good guy. I was not an altar boy, no. I was the narrator for the nativity though, for the Christmas pageant play, not pageant. It wasn't like a is that what you would call it? A pageant? Can I get a tattoo on my forehead? No, it doesn't matter what it is. Moto is back. Yes, Moto, you are now back. Spy bounce, apple bounce. Synthetic mods can be sacrificed. You're right, they can. Let's see. Apple doing its best. Is it over? Is what over? The sacrificing? I think you guys are all back from the sacrificing. Sorry, Wayne. You can't sacrifice Wayne. Wayne is not allowed to be sacrificed. I will protect you, Wayne. How does Spy jumping, Apple trying there, but nothing too crazy yet. Let's see here. Rim to the 400. That might be what it's doing. If it hits 399, we'll call Gabe. Be like, hey, you get worried? Wally making a move up? We haven't traded Wally in a while either. Yeah, so Bitcoin's not really making a move on that. That's not the Walmart that we want. That's France Walmart. We want. Wow, Wally ripping there. Did it rally back? Again, we've talked about natural gas a lot. The one, it's incredibly volatile. So if you are going to do it, you would want to swing it over a very long period of time to try to lessen that volatility. Days like today, though, would be the days to start getting in on it. Though I would say that's the spy. I don't care. What's the daily look like? Yeah, I mean, it's just kind of chopping around. You really need to see how everything's going to react with natural gas as you really start to get into these colder months here. Do I eat pork? All the time, bro. All the time. Let's see. Is it real hot sauce? There, I said it. I don't feel bad. All right, team. Spy bouncing up here. Apple's not doing it. If Apple gets the breakout above 150, it could go nutty, but it's not helping the Spy here. Spy's just getting its own little bounce. You think cutting your teeth on Oxy was a good thing? You haven't traded that stuff in a few months? Dude, Oxy's a wild boy. You don't really want to be fucking around with that. Let's see. Let's see. It's red vinegar. We don't always choose our own nicknames. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Let's see. Let's see here. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. Where's this? Dude, Apple is look at this on the daily, dude. Where's the 200 on the daily? 150, 174. This 4-hour chart probably looks filthy. Yeah, it is hunting, dude. Like if it breaks, you could see 154, maybe even its more recent high. I believe that was earnings. Apple saving the market. Where do I see how much time's left in a candle? Well, they're 5-minute candles, so you just look at a clock. I don't is that sufficient? I just look at the time. Are you out of timeout yet? You are. Let's see. The power of time telling. Yeah, no. Rands, what's up, buddy? How you doing? There's a countdown clock on TradingView. Where? Oh, that? Bro, I can't believe I've never seen that. No way I've never seen that before, bro. I see it right here. That's crazy. I've never noticed that. That's wild. Well, you learn something new every day. Let's see. All right, let's see here. Let me check in on the gains channel because I know you guys have been slaughtering it today. Pepe, there you go on Helmo, buddy. Kanaka, 6.3% on the day. Dude, if you guys want to come to the best place to come and learn how to trade, dude, you guys are slaughtering it, buddy. Every single day, it's just print city. Dude. All right, team. Here you guys go. If you guys want to come in with us, get access to all of the algos, the proprietary trading algorithms, the live streams, the curriculum, the alert system, and prepare yourself for the new stuff that we have coming. Hop in if you're ready. You got all weekend to come and learn, come and watch all of those curriculum videos, man. Let's see. Glad I can finally help you. Michael, I had never seen that before. Let's see. Drunk on Bauer. 9th Green Day here on both accounts, locked in on base hits and compounding. There you go, buddy. There you go, Luigi. I mean, you guys are killing it, dude. It's funny. The only people that are hating on it are the ones that aren't in it with us. Let's see. Helmo live? Yeah, Helmo's live. That was the Marvel play that Luigi had. It's a turbocharged Invictus, so it just basically replaced old Invictus. But it's in the same tab that you guys always look for Invictus in. SPY, new highs. Apple's not doing it here though. Ooh, interesting. Let's see. Didn't have that play with some. Oh, maybe Louis. Who was it? I thought it was you. Oh, it was Pepe. That's who it was. Sorry. It was Pepe. Dude, SPY's getting there. Apple's starting to move a little bit. Oh, here we go. Let's see here. SPY, dude, it's getting there. Apple's not really helping anybody out here, though. Here comes SPY, dude. Here it comes. Candy, that thing's literally theft. So be careful with that. Looks like Gabe's gonna be shaving his head. Dude, if it hits 399, we're calling him. It's not, it hasn't hit 399 yet, so we can't call him. This is gonna be fun. Let's see. It's almost time. It is almost time, man. Uh-oh. Ah! Let's see. Doesn't like it. You think this is it? It hits your line? We'll see, man. This thing has been on a moon mission today. Well, over since like these lows. It's just been right up. I can't shave. How am I going to shave his head? I don't live near him. I live like a flight away. 25 cents away from phone a friend. It's getting there. That's interesting. Get on a plane then? All right, man. Let's settle down. I'm not getting on a plane to go shave his head. What am I, a travel barber now? That's what we're doing over here? Travel barbering? No. No, no, no. Okay. Yeah, I saw that. HLT. Yeah, is it moving? Come on. Yeah, that thing's moving on that news. What is it? Authorized something. Authorizes added 2.5 billion, bringing amount authorized to 3.4 billion. Authorized what though? Let's see. Ooh, hold on. We're 5 cents away. Apple's not going, dude. It's just buy. Oh, hold on. It's it. Here we go. Oh, it touched. It touched. All right. We gotta call him. You're live now. So, Spy just hit 399. Are you worried about your hair? I'm not worried about my head. Not worried. Okay, perfect. All right. All right. We'll see you in a bit. He's not worried. He's not worried. This week was so fun. Everybody absolutely printed. Now we get to watch game. I don't know, man. Oh, it's touching. It's touching. All right, guys. So it's 2:33. We are gonna wrap up the live stream for today. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way out, helps out a whole lot. If you guys do want to come back here to one of these streams, and again, if you guys do want to hop in there with us, and come and watch all of those live streams. I mean, I'm live 8:45 to 10:30 every single day with you guys. We have all of those curriculum videos, the only proprietary trading algorithms, profitable ones available to retail investors right now. If you guys want to hop in and take your trading to the next level, check it out, man. I mean, we've got a lot of crazy things coming for you guys too. Get ready. It's about to really, really be wild. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. See you guys in a bit. Well, yeah, and then all you guys in there right now, we're gonna do that stream in like a half hour for all of you guys. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes there. Peace, team.